This is page 53. Headphones, please. Alright, again, we're working with order of operations, so please do multiplication and division before you do addition and subtraction. But remember, when you're doing multiplication and division, you need to do left to right first, and addition and subtraction, do left to right first. So first thing, let's highlight all of the multiplication before we do any work. Multiplication or the division, that is. Okay, now highlight addition and subtraction. Negative times a negative is a positive. 12 times 3 is 36. 36 plus 7 is 43. Negative divided by a negative is a positive. 42 divided by 6 is 7. 7 plus 5 minus 8. So that's going to be 12 minus 8 is 4. Positive times a negative is a negative. Negative 60 minus 18. Remember, on a number line, here's 0, right? Here's negative 60. So negative 18 means you're going more negative still. So negative 78. Except that that's not 6, that's 60. So sorry, that should be negative 600 minus 18 should be negative 618. Not this. Not this. Multiply here. Negative times a negative is a positive. So it's 77 plus 5 minus 82. So add that first. That's 82 minus 82 is 0. Divide first. Positive divided by a negative is a negative. It's negative 5 plus 6 is going to be just 1. Multiply here first. Negative times a negative is a positive. 26 minus 16 minus 8. So combine those negatives. So you get 26 minus 24 equals 2. Multiplication and division come before addition and subtraction. And remember to work left to right. And it's true for addition and subtraction as well. Lily and Rose are playing a game. In the game, each player starts with 0 points, and the player with the most points at the end wins. Lily gains 5 points 2 times, so there's some multiplication for Lily. She loses 12 points, and then gains 3 points. And then Rose loses 3 points 2 times, loses 1, gains 6, gains 7. So let's do this right here. Lily, she's gains 5 2 times. Okay, that's that part right there. Loses 12. Minus 12. That's that part there. And gains 3. Write and evaluate an expression to find Lily's score. Here it is. Okay, so we wrote it, now we need to evaluate it. So 5 times 2 is 10, and then minus 12 plus 3. This is positive, that's positive, and this is negative, so it's really 13 minus 12, or 1. She has 1 point. Okay? Write and evaluate an expression to find Rose's score. Rose loses 3 points 2 times. So minus 3 times 2. She loses 1. Gains 6. And gains 7. So, negative 3 times 2 is negative 6 minus 1 plus 6 plus 7. Look here. This negative 6 and this positive 6 cancel. So now you have minus 1 plus 7. So her score is going to be 6 points. So Rose won the game. Write an expression from the description, then evaluate the expression. Okay. Remember, multiplication and division come first, and then addition and subtraction come next. So, let's put in the words that mean multiply. Product means multiply. Quotient means divide. Less means subtract. More means add. So now let's do this. Product of 5 and negative 4. Here we go. Here's 5, and here's negative 4. That's that part. Check that off. And then 8 less than that. So that's going to be positive times a negative is a negative. 5 times 4 is 20, so negative 20 minus 8 is negative 28. Quotient 36 and negative 4. So it's negative 36 divided by negative 4 plus 9. So quotient is done right there. And then 9 more is right here. Negative divided by a negative is a positive. 36 divided by 4 is 9. 9 plus 9 equals 18. Arlene has a gift card for a local lawn and garden store. She uses her gift card to rent the tiller for 4 days. Oh, another word that means multiply is per. Per means multiply. It costs $35 per day to rent the tiller. She also buys a rake for $9. So this is the multiplication, and here is your addition or subtraction. find the change to the value on her gift card. So 4 times negative 35. Minus 9. Do 4 times 35. Here's a way you can do it. 35 is the same as 30 plus 5. And if you multiply by 4 times 30, well, that's easy. That's 120. 4 times 5 is, that's easy. That's 20. So that's 140. So it's 140. But it's negative, remember, because it's something that she bought. Rent, cost, negative amount. So that's going to be negative, and that'll be negative, and that'll be negative. So she spent 140 on the tiller, and now she's got to do the rake. Minus 9. So she spent 149. The original amount on the gift card was 200. Does Arlene have enough left on the card to buy a wheelbarrow for $50? Explain. So 200 minus 149 equals 51. Alright, thanks for watching.